What is good, YouTube, and welcome back to Bootcamp Day 4. Today is we're gonna be talking about psychology doing a trade. And when I say that is FOMO, revenge trading, when markets when the market looks perfect, uh, and when you're gonna stop for today. Let's just hop into it. So yeah, as I said, psychology, doing a trade. That means I'll start from saying FOMO trade. FOMO trading is when uh, you go in a trade and then it's a reversal or a fake breakout. You probably don't know what it is yet, or you may do. I don't know. But that is for let me take an example on the market right here, right? Boom. No, this is not a good an example. Let me just find one. 2 seconds. Here, perfect example. Okay, what happens here? We have some lows over here. We sweep them. Okay, good setup, good setup. And then boom, like here. Let's say this is your strategy. You break above. Okay, nice, nice. All of this, you get retest, and then suddenly you buy in and you thinking, okay, we're gonna reach for these highs. That's gonna be our take profit. Stop loss maybe down here because I'm possible in this trade. What this means, right now it might sound like I'm wrong, but stay with me. So this is where your setup is not perfect. You only have 70% of the confluences you actually have to make in your strategy. You only use 70% of them because you're scared you're not going to catch the trade and other people will while you didn't catch the trade. That is FOMO trading, fear of missing out of a trade. And that is what I would say is one of the worst things, because that is just gonna bring you mentally down, thinking also that your strategy doesn't work, and that is absolutely horrible. And see what happens here. We go up. What happens after? We absolutely break to fucking bottom, bro. Like, we sweep shit that was like 4 days before, 6 days before. Like, that's what I'm talking about. And this was even in London session. So, and that's also what you gotta do when markets open. There gonna be a lot of false breakout in the start, but there's also gonna be a lot of potential for trades, and that's why you're gonna be able to spot it after you learn market structure, not just market structure. Look at the charts, okay? So yeah, that's FOMO trading, at that you don't really you use half of your strategy for a trade, which you shouldn't. You should use every little step that is in your trade. You have to have every step in the trade you take. So yeah. Next is revenge trading. I've said these things a little bit in my previous bootcamp videos. For an example, let me just take an example right here. And right here, let's say I did this, right? Wait a second, wait. These, no, let me take another one because I don't wanna. Boom, right here. Right here, because of my strategies, you don't win. You can't always win. Like, you buy here. Break of structure to the upside. Oh, take profit up here. Stop loss at bottom. Boom. You lost the trade. And then the next thing you see is, because you were fucking mad at the market by losing, you're mad, you want to get revenge on it, just like someone hit your sister and you want to get revenge on that guy and hit him back. Maybe you get me, maybe you don't. I've never tried it because I live in Denmark, so yeah, but doesn't matter, fucking matter, okay? So the next thing you see, oh, this sweeps like all of these lows now. Oh, I can see the candle go ended bearish. So the next thing you do is that you take a short position by, say, like right here. Boom. Take profit at lows. Stop loss at highs. The next thing you know, you get stocked out and you just lost twice because you revenge trade. That is what's gonna happen 90% of the time that you revenge trade. It is the worst thing you can do. Like, cause okay, you're just mad, bro. Like, you don't think what's going to happen. You don't think your trade through. You have to actually know what you're doing, and when you revenge trade, you don't know what's going on. Trust me, you lose your mind like completely. Um, so that's the thing you gotta absolutely look out for when you trade is to not FOMO trade, not revenge trading. It's some of the dumbest things you can do. Um, the next thing is when the market looks perfect. Okay. Um. All right. Bear with me now, right here. Okay. See here. Boom. You've taken your two trades of the day, right? You maximum. Let's say your risk management is only taking two trades of the day. And that is a good thing because it's not that many times there are 3 to 4 setups in a day of one strategy. It's very rarely, and the strategy won't be as effective if it is possible to do that. But see here, let me perfect setup right here. Boom, take profit here, stop loss, stop loss. Oh, hold on, wait, let's actually find something. Yep, take profit here. Absolutely smokes a banger trade right here. Not the best RR, but it doesn't fucking wait. No. Stop loss right here. Absolutely smokes the fucking trade. RR is looking fucking fantastic. But and then your other trade is this move down. Oh, take profit down here. 2 seconds. Take profit down here. Stop loss right up here. Absolutely banger fucking RR. Banger fucking trade. You've taken your two trades you shouldn't trade anymore, and then you're going in. Oh, sweep and downtrend. Okay. Okay. Oh fuck is happening, bro? Okay. Take profit down here. Stop loss right here. And then you fucking lose because you're fucking nuthead. You're a fucking dumbass. And you over trading, and you get the excitement of winning a trade. Oh my god, I want to trade more. No, save that energy for the next day. Don't ever break your risk management rules. And when the market looks perfect, it's just no. It does not fucking matter how the market looks. It does when you are trading, but when you have taken your maximum amount of trades on a fucking day, even though the setup is looking perfect and it hits later on the day, you still don't take it. Like, it is a rule you gotta stick to. It's the stupidest thing. Because you're gonna lose 90 or 70 to 90% of the fucking time you do it. So just stop, okay? And a rule you really gotta write down in your notebook is when you're stopped for the fucking day. Like, when do you guys stop for the day? Write that down. Is it gonna be at after two trades, after one trade on London session, after two trades on New York? I don't know, like just something, okay? Write your rules down. And from my perspective, what I've said in my videos before, my bootcamp videos before, I have said what you could write down and what I do when I trade. So go watch those videos. But yeah, so that is like those are the four important things I want to talk about today because it's something you really gotta look out for. Uh, and also, as I've said in my earlier videos, but this is a very important thing, is that when you take a trade, right? Boom. Let's say we took this short right here. We took it from here, right? I don't know why we would do that. I'm just saying, right? And normally you would have your take profit perfectly right there, but you don't know it yet, of course, because you just took the trade. And then you go ahead, oh my god, we're making so big moves. I'm moving this down. And then what happens? Boom. And you go up and you get stocked out. Never move your trade. The only reason you would move your trade is sometimes what I do, most of the times, is that, okay, we got big move up. So like for example, at this level of right up here, let's say we were right here, the candle just broke. I would break my stop loss to break even. And what break me even means is at the same place where I took the trade. So I'm now secured to not lose any money. That's the only thing you should do. Or move your stop loss a little higher, even though it can sometimes come and bite you in the ass. I would recommend it, but only when it's like big fat fucking moves, not when it's see these little small moves where you're not sure it goes down like this and you think, oh, let me just move it, and then you get fucking stuck out and the trade hits eventually. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Remember to like and subscribe and watch the full boot camp through and watch my other boot camp videos. And yeah, peace out.